What up, everybody? We're playing Phantom Forces. Yes. I've played a few games non-stop lately, so I'm feeling pretty nice. But at the same time, can't wait to play. Alright. Of course, I haven't really played much of this, so yeah. Just play. Okay. Play like a few rounds. Holy shit, nice. God damn, my sensitivity is so high. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. God damn. I mean, whoa, okay, hold up. I gotta have to like adjust my movement because holy moly. Alright, oh my god, Jesus, okay. I think I'm. What team am I in? Blue or red? I don't even know. God, I can't hold up. My whole sensitivity is too quick in this. I am like, hold up, sensitivity. Is there a way to, Jesus, lower that down a little? I have way too much. Let's get that angle. Damn, man, that was like, holy moly, man. I don't mind. We're good? Okay, that's good. That's actually really good. I was moving way too fast with that high sensitivity right now. I'm like, I can't get do nothing, man. Alright, fine. Alright, I think we're good. I think we're good. I don't want to play too much shooting games. Yeah, self-still. Got a knife. Crouch. Slide. I'm not really. No, I don't have this type of guns they have, so oh wow, I can now. Yes, and blue, yeah, alright, okay, cool. This is not my style, I don't have a sniper rifle or any kind of guns, I'm a private. Let's go with that. God dang, man, Jesus. I'm already on edge right now, man. Okay, I gotta like shoot that. Oh! This is like Rainbow Six. Rough, man. I'm already losing here. I'm getting destroyed. I am not lucky at all. Can I switch weapons here? I'm done. I want to be dying with like. Ah, shh. I need a better gun. I need a scope. These guys are killing me with scopes. Hold on, is there a way to like, add a attachment like scope or so? Ain't too broke. Man, who's gonna be the most unluckiest man? Customize. Alright, cool. Yeah, alright, I'm not lucky at all. Yay! I gotta fight! 88. Yay, that sounds very nice. He has a scope right there. I can see that, man. This is an unfair map for me. Jeez. I'm jealous right now, man. I don't have any good guns on me. Okay. I'm working what I basically got, man. It's like not fair. It's like us going against close here, and I have. I gotta. Yeah, I don't sections. They're way too good in this game. I am a noob. This whole round's gonna take 4 whole minutes. Jesus Christ. Man, how am I gonna shoot that guy that she's able to shoot? Okay, hold on. Do you have like a better sense of range or something, or what? Kill anybody in this game. Like, I mean, sniped. No. Jesus, man. Bro, these are scopes, man. I don't have a chance. I don't like just like camp. Look at this. Be done. Oh, this is nice. Okay. Oh god, it's heavy though. Alright. Shit, I need to back. I need a gun right now. God dang, man. What kind of guns do they have? They're like one-shotting me without even trying. God damn. I'll take this gun. That one's good. I'm dead. Okay. Shot with a pistol. I need a gun, man. I need the actual gun. Pick! God damn. We're not even doing anything, man. We're just dying like dogs. Respawn. So grenade right there. Grenade over here. Grenade over there. Bro, the grenades suck in this. Okay, cool. So itchy too, man. Damn. I think I got a rash. I'm a stupid man right now. Ah. There we go. Let's see. I haven't got a rest for like a good while now, so like I've been playing for pretty good. Nah, man, there's something with this game, man. I feel like it's like all aimbot or something, or like, hold on, let me see. What's with their settings here? What the heck, man? They're just kicking my butt so easily. It's cringing me out too. So sensitivity. Oh, maybe controller. I'm good in controller, but still don't like. How the hell are you aiming all that like so easily? You know what? I'm not even doing anything here. Is it even possible we're doing stuff? Well, I already lost, so there's that. I can't fight in like a long range battle right now because like I have no good gun that reaches that far. I mean, I could try to. The recoil sucks. right? Nah, we definitely have something else. Like, I'm getting something either like so good or like they just have something that make them shoot well. I don't even know what gun I even have, man. Oh, found a scope. Here, I could use it. No, I hardly doubt it. Shit, damn. I think my aim is slow. Well, I already know I lost. Please, anything super big in this map. Heck, man. Kill confirm might be fun. Alright, cool. Let's see. Oh, I'm just a newbie. I didn't even level up. Like, that's how long range it is, man. I don't like the long range maps. It's like so, ugh. I mean, maybe, but do you really think realistically you'll be able to? Probably. Be good in my shots in real life, but like, fall damage. Of course, has to be fall damage too. Yay! Alright, we're looking for a beach to kill. 14 on minute. God damn, man. Ah, yo. Whole round dying. Oh. Not. This ain't fair, man. This ain't fair. This ain't right, man. This ain't right. I can't get close to anybody because I'm not anywhere near the range, or I'm not anywhere, like, you know. So how do you see in the mini-map, of course. I didn't even notice there was a mini-map, actually. So I was just, okay, hold on, let me see. How do you see me so easily? No, he didn't appear in the minimap. I got him. This is kill confirmed, so I gotta always get my confirm back. You gotta go confirm it. Gotta go upstairs. The ladder, up the ladder, where is it? What the hell, man? Freaking fall damage is terrible, and I feel like I got a mosquito on me, but I don't. Because I got itchy, man. I would have reacted faster, but you know. This way. No way, man. That actually sucks. I should have shot straight, not flipping down. Oh hell no, man. Come on, man, don't miss. You spot a fool, don't miss. The hell, how did he kill me, man? Looks like There was a lot of them. Got shot. Okay. This ain't right, man. This ain't right. The mini-map is too long to last too long. Like, if I get hit, they assume, you know, like, bleeding right now. Yeah, I actually, well, that bullet's slow. I saw the bullet come at me and I was like, already knew I was dead. I actually saw that. I was like, damn. Can't do that. Where is everybody? I gotta be careful where that sniper's at. He loves sniping me away. I don't know what my buttons are. This loading thing takes forever. I got sniped, but at least got that. Guys, kill confirm. Gotta confirm the kills, man. We gotta confirm the kills. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's see. Where's everybody else at? Can I stop getting spawn kill here? Like, I just go to spawn and I get spawn killed, yo. Let me see. Bruh, man, no, this is way, there's no way, yo. How am I gonna, like, snipe me so well? At least kill me. Thank you, thank you. I should get mad. I don't feel like dying right now. I noticed I was dead. I just turn around and I just see that. It's fine. I already denied one death. I can't, that gun's a little, wait a sec, man, I can't. You know what, hold up. This is my niggas dog. When they forget, they gotta get their confirms, man. No, I really don't confirm it. I need him there too. Get me out of here. Oh. Well, that's cool. That's even more cool. Like, how am I so... cannot fight like in a closed surface, man. I gotta fight in the open. I mean, they have scopes that I don't, man. This ain't right, man. This ain't right. Oh, good luck to that. Man, what the hell are you doing, man? I'm not. Bruh, my guy's check any map, yo. This is what's too. We're already losing again. Same sign sucks. I had to predict where I had to shoot, man. But still losing. Right, Where's the ball? Why is it F like knife, man? Gosh, come on, dude. I want a knife somebody really like. Yeah. Oh, whatever badges all that shark went through. But anyways, I'm done. I just quit. I'm done. GG's, I'm done. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys on the next time. Peace out.